temples are from Jammu. Okay. So these paintings are beautiful, but most interestingly that there you will find number of inscriptions. Among this inscription they have already written the dates. So you know what exactly the date is. Even there are 2 or 3 dates what you shown me. And these paintings are mostly, mostly important for their subject matters. For example, Ramayana Mahabharata is there, but altogether Ramayana is more shown in the paintings, whereas there are Mahabharata, scenes of Mahabharata, but these are not that much prominently done in this painting. But among these paintings you will find different type of depiction, that is hell depiction, and this is most important that Hari school and all.
Right.
And number of others, not number of other schools, but there are what you showed me, the dome and the ceiling. There you will find very beautiful Persian figures, and this is something very interesting that it is like an amalgamation of that. But all those are very small element of that Nas Sampradaya depiction. So all those buildings are very faithfully depicted as it is like a portraiture, or they are portraying the original things what you see from outside. If you compare the photograph of the building and the painted thing in the painted outlines of the building, these are very striking, similar. Not similarity. Actually, it is taken from the original one. It means that is very faithful to the main building. Composition, for example, just we have discussed about this the composition of building composition. Ramayana scene, the Swayamvara of Ramayana. There you will find in the same building, Ravana is there. He is performing the same thing for that Swayamvara. Whereas when Ram came, the building remained the same. It means that artist was very faithful what exactly he wanted to depict and how to depict. So he has faithfully done. Now, interestingly, all those paintings are colored. Some paintings, not some paintings, but some sometimes you will see some line drawings also with some inscriptions. But most of these paintings are painted with varied colors. And as per my knowledge, as you know, that all those colors are mostly mineral and vegetable dyes. It means that this the making pigments depiction. So all those buildings are very faithfully depicted as it is like a portraiture, or they are portraying the original things what you see from outside. If you compare the photograph of the building and the painted thing in the painted outlines of the building, these are very striking, similar. Not similarity. Actually, it is taken from the original one. It means that is very faithful to the main building. Composition, for example, just we have discussed about this the composition of building composition. Ramayana scene, the Swayamvara of Ramayana. There you will find in the same building, Ravana is there. He is performing the same thing for that Swayamvara. Whereas when Ram came, the building remained the same. It means that artist was very faithful what exactly he wanted to depict and how to depict. So he has faithfully done. Now, interestingly, all those paintings are colored. Some paintings, not some paintings, but some sometimes you will see some line drawings also with some inscriptions. But most of these paintings are painted with varied colors. And as per my knowledge, as you know, that all those colors are mostly mineral and vegetable dyes. It means that the making pigments in the region, actually the artist followed the same thing. That is but natural. But sometime when you showed me another temple, that Raghunath, in that painting you will find the blue color is more important, many times it is used. Whereas in this painting blue color is not that much used. So if you study this, just study why it was happened. And some colors are definitely borrowed from outside, which may be introduced later. So you can postulate some datings and number of other things. So just study this with composition and many other things. It will give you many perceptions to this painting, and probably this could be a new thing for you.